Different stakeholders in a DevOps environment are crucial to the effective installation and running of DevOps methods. These participants, who hail from many departments inside the company, add to the general DevOps procedures and culture. Key players in DevOps are as follows. Team for development accountability creates and writes the software. Participated at every stage of the development process, from planning and coding to testing and implementation. Team operations. Accountability. Oversees and looks after the IT infrastructure. Participation. Works in tandem with development to guarantee seamless application administration, deployment, and monitoring. Team for quality assurance. QA. Accountability. Uses testing to guarantee software quality. Participation. Works in tandem with operations and development to apply automated testing and guarantee that quality is upheld throughout the pipeline. Release. Coordinator. Accountability. Oversees the software release for production. Participation. Works in tandem with operations and development to schedule and carry out releases while minimizing service interruption. DevSecOps. Security team. Accountability. Concentrates on incorporating security procedures into the DevOps workflow. Participation. Works in tandem with operations and development to guarantee that security is taken into account at every stage of the software development lifecycle. Product administration accountability establishes and arranges features according to company objectives. Involvement. Closely collaborates with operations and development to match software delivery to business goals. Leadership in IT accountability offers. DevOps efforts, strategic guidance and assistance. Involvement establishes the broad framework for the deployment of DevOps and makes sure it fits with business objectives. Customer service achievement accountability assists end users and guarantees client contentment. Team for continuous integration and delivery, CI/CD. Accountability. Oversees CI/CD tools and pipelines. Participation. Works in tandem with operations and development to streamline and automate the delivery and continuous integration processes. Evangelists and champions of DevOps. It is your responsibility to promote DevOps culture and practices. Engagement, encourage cooperation, a shift in mindset, and the use of DevOps concepts by working across team boundaries.